Welcome to the Business Buyer Diaries. My name is Nathan Platter. I'm a full-time employee, and I bought a business. I did everything right, from finding the deal, handling all the due diligence on 63 opportunities, and ultimately bought a profitable gym. And boy, was I in for a big surprise as a new owner. I chronicled everything in real time, including the biggest wins to the stressful nights at 2 a.m. I'm sharing my journey without sugarcoating anything, so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Here's today's episode.
All right, we got some fantastic news. So when I filed the dissolution stuff with Minnesota, I also signed up for email alerts. And so nothing Friday, nothing Saturday, but today at 9:20, got the email saying confirmed. Minnesota received it and approved it. So we are rocking and rolling. Instantly forwarded all of the emails and screenshots over to the broker. He's been solid. And now he emailed the group seller, him and me, saying, hey guys, we're good to go. We now just need the bank to give the thumbs up. So they have everything. The bank has everything they need. We now just need them to give the final approval and say, yep, let's print the papers, get everything ready for the closing date. It's 9:20 in the morning, but we're looking to close at around 3 or 4, maybe 5 p.m. today. So it'll be a good one. Definitely a long day to stay focused on, but excited. We're getting ready to roll. And I think what may end up happening is my wife and kids will actually be there for the closing. My wife needs to be there because we're 50-50, but it'll be even sweeter having my kids attend since this is a whole new thing for them. They've never been to a business office like this. Buying a gym is a big deal. Even though it's a fitness studio, they call it a gym. And just having them involved in there to be present for pictures and all the fun that goes along with it. So today, October 2nd. October 2nd is the day. So really stoked about it. It's finally a long time coming, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. I have a few team meetings for work as well as for the business. So it'll be a full day of getting the right things done at the right time for the right people. So that's the rock and rolling. I think it's going to be today. We'll update as we see from there, but definitely patience and work in the process and being patient has been vital along the way. So that's it. I think today's going to be the day, and we'll keep you posted.
This has been another episode of the Business Buyer Diaries. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. I hope you're realizing that business ownership is no cakewalk. Check the podcast notes for a link to the DIY Due Diligence program, the complete list of show sponsors, and for media inquiries. Music written and composed by Wes Schrock. I'm your host, Nathan Platter. Join me again on the next one.